Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today let's discuss about migraine. Migraine is a type of a headache which is usually seen on one side, either on the right side or on the left side of the head. The main symptom of migraine is pulsating type of a headache or a throbbing type of a headache which is so severe that we end up having vomiting or we have this uneasy feeling of nausea which don't get relieved very easily by doing anything. So what triggers migraine? Migraine is triggered by various reasons. First, sleeplessness. Secondly, eating junk food, unhealthy diet which you cannot digest and you end up having lots of gut health issues because of which you end up having headache or a migraine. Thirdly, too much of stress. Stress is one of the major reason for any types of headache. Even migraine is one among them. Migraine and stress goes hand in hand. Then comes your dehydration. If you are not drinking enough water, then again you will end up having more of a headache. And then comes of course a hormonal imbalance, especially in females before menses they end up having migraine attacks, and even in the menopausal age because of lots of hormonal changes many women suffer from these migraine headaches. Too much of screen time, too much of use of mobile, your tabs, your computers, your laptops, and long hours of screen time, over eye strain, over exertion, and wrong posture, wrong sitting posture are one of the reason for migraine attacks. A very simple tip what one can do when they have this migraine headache. First of all, get yourself away from whatever the work you are doing when you have this migraine. There will be a sensation, first migraine is usually accompanied by a aura like flickering, or you cannot see the things properly, blurred vision will be there. So when you notice these kind of symptoms, try to get away from the work what you are doing and try to get into a dark room wherein you can sleep or relax properly. Secondly, the main important thing is sleep. When you are sleep deprived, you are definitely end up having migraine. So make sure that you sleep properly, the night sleep. It is a recovery mode. So sleep is again very essential to get rid of migraine attacks. Then comes your gut health issues. Make sure that you eat smart, you eat healthy. See, basically one should have more of fiber, good fat, protein, and then carbohydrate. Try and avoid, cut down all the food which you cannot digest. For example, all unhealthy junk food. Try avoiding that. Then have more water intake. Dehydration is again a cause for a headache, so make sure that you are hydrated. It's not only the water, electrolytes are also very much important for you to get rid of headache. And for your hormonal imbalance and other issues with the hormones, one has to do physical exercises. Exercise is very essential for every one of us. So when you exercise well, your endorphin, a hormone which is a happy hormone which is secreted, this hormone it acts like a painkiller as well. So make sure that you work out every single day, or just go for a walk, get attached to the nature. Again, over intake or over indulgence of tea, coffees, and alcohol triggers your migraine. So you have to avoid tea, coffees, and get into a healthy habit of drinking vegetable juices. That's a plus point for you to get rid of migraine attacks. Then too much of screen time. Screen time nowadays it is like maddening. Everyone, kids, elders, everybody are almost all the time on the screen. Even the screen time over exertion, over eye strain is again a reason for a headache. So avoid this as well. These are the small little steps which you can take to control migraine or avoid migraine attacks. Stress and migraine goes hand in hand. They are close buddies. They are always together. So one has to fix our stress. The way you manage the stress is very important, and you can manage your stress very well. Stress is not bad thing, but the way we approach our stress, the way we see the stress is important. Start doing some pranayama, some exercise, some meditation, some relaxing techniques to fix your stress. Stress is good. Without stress, we won't be able to do anything. A small amount of stress is always healthy for us. But fix your stress, unnecessary stress. Approach your stress in a positive way. That's a solution for it. Even after doing the preventive measures, if you are still suffering with migraine, homeopathy has an answer for it. Homeopathy treats the underlying cause for the migraine. Example, if you have stress, your gut health issues, or the sleeplessness, anything, whatever is causing the migraine will be taken care. Homeopathy has got a very effective and permanent treatment for migraine.